Okay guys, so I hadn't made a video all week, so figured I'd try to make one right now. And I guess, so I have a 6.0 video I still want to do with my truck that I need to get ready to sell, so we'll figure out what the problem is with that. I'll probably do a video or two there. And then I'd like to get back to my Honda stuff, projects that I have. Yeah, so close. So this is my 98 Civic hatchback. Has a K-Series base model, 5-speed. So yeah, that's more or less that. And just show some inside stuff. I gotta turn on the light in here. No light. And one more light. So that's my hatch. I want to do some stuff with it, so kind of look inside real quick. So we have some stuff to do with it. Oh man. And so guess this video I'm just trying to kind of explain myself, I guess, so, and kind of what I plan on putting out for videos next. So I kind of do side jobs here and there on the weekends, so I work during the week, so yeah, it's kind of about it. And so I want to get my projects done, so I'm kind of trying to make these videos so that I have to do more stuff, I guess you'd say, which seems like it's kind of helping me get more of my goals done that I want to get done and accomplish. So I got this J-Series tranny here, 6-speed, Type S TL, I think 05, but the reverse stopped working, so I bought all the reverse gears and stuff so that I could take it apart and kind of more or less figure it out. And I've took apart my B series before and put them back together and had to fix them, so I think I should be able to do it, so I'm gonna try. So I figure that'll be a video. I got my GSR here. It was fully built, everything. I had it at a machine shop. I got it back. I think I got 2,000 miles and the motor seized, so I guess we need to take that apart, so I'm trying to plan on doing that in a video. What else do I have that needs to get done? So the 6.0, I kinda, what that one should be about next is gonna be removing the oil rail, and then I was gonna do another one about doing the seals in the oil rail, so stay tuned, you'll get to see that, I guess, if anybody's interested in that. My hatch, I kinda wanna do an oil pressure test to see if I just don't have oil pressure, which I think my oil pump's probably bad, but I just want to verify so that I'm not doing something for no reason. So that should be a video, and then the oil pump probably will end up being a video. I have another project, but I don't know exactly when I'm gonna get to that, so we'll see where that ends up. My channel is more or less for like showing you don't gotta have everything, and you can do most stuff on cars and trucks, I guess. So yes, other cars like Volkswagens and Audis, those are, yeah, I don't have everything for every car, so I just work on what I've worked on my whole life. So I guess comment if there's anything you guys would like me to do, or I kind of shown you sort of what stuff I have, so if there's something that you guys want me to kind of go more in depth on, You guys want to comment, tell me stuff that you don't like from a channel, or what I should fix, or what you do like. I don't know. I've just kind of thrown out a video so I can put out another video, because that's kind of one of the goals I'm trying to set myself at, like, to be able to do. So I guess that's about it. I guess like, comment, and subscribe. Comments I'll read. I check them once a week, so even if this video is a little old and you want to comment, that's all on you. Uh, Thanks for watching, I guess, and everybody have a great night.